pray this morning?
Did I what?
Pray this morning?
Why?
Pray now.
We need to do that. I always need to do that. Not for this engine, is he? Well, pray over your flocks, pray over putting your engine in, yeah, pray over everything. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm excited to be here with you today. Show you guys some cars that I've been working on. Today I'm going to head over to my friend Gary's house. He's got a 67 convertible, Brittany Blue. He's been restoring for the last couple years. We are about to put the motor and trans in. I'm gonna go pick up my dad. My dad's good friends with Gary, and as well as my little brother Carson, who you're gonna meet on the channel today. Grateful you guys are here. I'm gonna keep this short so we can get on to the work. Anyway, we'll commence in the shop. See you guys. All right, keep coming, cars. Slow's good, right? I mean, if you just want to just send it, that's fine too. Drop her in.
No, he's going for it.
Yeah, sending it. Okay, I can try to go backwards here in just a second. About 4 inches. Well, just a second.
No, it just went with itself.
No, it didn't. You see where it mounts up, Dad?
Okay, slow. You're about 2 inches away. Are you close on your side, Dad? I can't see that.
Yeah.
Are you there?
I'm looking good over here. You good here too? Shit. Let's stop right there. That was easy. Got my side done.
Yep, I did get your side done. Somewhere.
You want the nuts?
Yeah, I want one of the nuts.
Right. Has we find a nut yet or no?
I'm down here. I'm not looking. All three of you are looking down here like I have a nut somewhere. Where?
Well, you guys losing bolts is giving me time to film
The nut that took us 15 days to find.
Okay, I told you. It's better if I just... Alright, we back out it now?
Do you have a 1/2 inch or a...
Yeah, you want an wrench or...
A wrench. Either 9/16 or a half or both. You have 2 9/16?
Jeez. You want anything else?
What?
So do you want anything else? You want some gritty and...
Can someone give me some soft serve?
Done yet?
Do you have a ration one? Just kidding.
No. Yeah,
I'm just... Alright, so we're here in Gary's garage and we're working on his 67 Mustang convertible. He's done all the body work on it and we just barely put the engine in. And we're gonna watch Cody do another clutch in this car. So I'm gonna come down here.
Oh, you shut the door, now we're gonna be high.
Oh, I like that. That brake cleaner's back. So he's done all of the body work on this, put it on a rotisserie. I mean, the whole bottom of it's been gone through. Just really good work, just like it is in the factory. You know, it has the red oxide paint on the bottom, and then has the kind of fade, like the overspray look that comes from the factory. Just really, really good work throughout this car. We're about to the top of the tunnel.
Yeah, we gotta go forward.
Gotta go up a little bit more, just like 1 or 2 clicks.
That was 3.
Yeah, well,
Just take her up.
I'll just keep going slow until you tell me to stop. Oh, man.
We go to YouTube. Crash and burn. And it's got NICs all over it now. Money.
It's okay if it's just been painted. We have sticky fingers from the last thing that you painted.
No, you don't. I'm not doing that.
Gary kicks you in the gut. Take that.
Tell you your fingers are sticky.
No, I'm no better than that.
Carson's getting the starter put in right now. Oh, there goes the finger and some paint.
What about the paint?
All right, we just finished up for the day. Got the engine in, trans in. So you're probably gonna see me a little bit more on these videos. I'm Cody's brother, Carson. We have this 66 convertible, 289 factory car. We'll be working on that. We worked on this one, and then we'll be doing the Celine as well as the Terminator. So we have a lot of projects to keep you guys all entertained.
So like, subscribe, and come back and see us.